Sun's gone and the lights are on, and we are all set to high-class cricket action. These players will be taking the field today. Both teams look balanced and eager to perform. End of the first inning won't be long before we resume. Taking the pace of the ball is a good way to go. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's dropped, and the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line on the ball. Cracking delivery, almost unplayable. Tell you what, the previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Good shot for a single. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. That's gone high. No, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. That's in the air. No, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Looks like he enjoys space on the ball. Looks more confident when there's space on the ball. That's high in the air. Oh, he has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Good shot for a single. In the air. That's dropped. And the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. He has put that down. He'd be disappointed with himself there. Turned away for a single. Excellent running between the wickets. That's in the air. That's dropped. And the ball just slipped through his fingers, and there's nothing he can do about it now. Gone high. No, that's put down. That's going to be painful for the bowler. He deserved a wicket there. Oh, that's a complete lack of communication between the two batsmen. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. The batsman must be kicking himself after that run out. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Captain will be more happy with his bowlers conceding only singles at this stage. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Batsman losing his concentration there. Well, that's a slaughter. Any top order batsman would have struggled with that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. Got him, that's a stunner, out for a duck. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Oh, he's clubbed that for a six. That's a great hit. No ball called. Get ready for the free hit now. That's high in the air. Good shot. Nicely placed in the gap. The batsman should be looking for two here. Oh, huge appeal. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. In the air. Good catch, but of a free hit though. The bowler has overstepped, no ball. Batsman all set to cash in on this free hit. Couldn't time that well as would have liked. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Pace he'll bowl at. There is a little bit in the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Dropped. That could have been a crucial wicket, but the fielder couldn't hold on to it. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win.